Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.